wanna break you off, let me be your motivation to stay and give it tonight. Baby, turn around, let me give you an ovation.
Happy New Year! Jules, if you are watching this, you are blessed to see another year. 2021 is no longer, and we are on to 2022 with new goals and new blessings. Anyways, my analytics tell me that you guys are only watching about 3 minutes of my videos. So I'm just gonna go ahead, get started with it, and get to the reason why we are here. As you all know, I have started a 6-month hair growth challenge, and I believe this is the start of month 4. We are ending this challenge on April 1st. So if I do my calculations, guys, like, I've never been good at math. I only got good at math when I went to nursing school, and I had to make sure that I was giving my patients the right dose of medications. So bear with me. I think we're on month 4, right? It's January to February is 1 month, February to March is 2 months, and March to April is 3 months. So yeah, we are on the 4th month. We've completed 3 months so far, and it just so happened that it fell on the 1st, which is today. For this month, I decided to go ahead and do a hair growth challenge using coffee. That's right. Coffee has so much benefits to our hair. While doing my research, I found out that it is a DHT blocker, and it is said to stimulate hair growth. So for my recipe, I went ahead and I put 1 cup of distilled water to boil. I then added a tablespoon of coffee grounds. I made that boil, and I yielded anywhere from 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup. So after I spilled a little bit, this is what I am left with. I went ahead and I transferred my coffee solution into this glass spray bottle. And then into this, I added 10 drops of rosemary oil and 10 drops of peppermint oil, just to help give it a little boost. So this is what I'll be storing in my refrigerator. If by week 2 I don't have enough, I will be making another batch. And I'm gonna go ahead and pour about 2 ounces of this into this bottle. And with this, I will be placing this by my bedside because I will be spraying it in my scalp every night. I am starting with my hair freshly washed. I did the LCO method to moisturize my hair, and then I went ahead and I plaited my hair up. For the application process, I will be spraying it into my scalp, like so. Massage it in my scalp for 2 minutes. And as long as my scalp is not irritating me and I feel like it's not harming my hair in any way, I will be using the spray every day and leaving it in my hair for 30 days. And as always, I have to go in with my hair oil just so that my scalp doesn't get dry. And this will be my routine for the next 30 days. This will be my protective style. Coffee is easily accessible, and I'm sure it's probably in everyone's home. So even if you don't have the peppermint oil and the rosemary oil, you can still try it. If you'd like, you can wash it out of your hair every day. And if you don't want to leave it in your hair and you are a weekly washer, you can go ahead and use it as a pre-poo before you wash your hair and see if it helps you. And as my day ones know, this is a hair growth channel. On here, I show and I prove. Whatever I try to show you my results to the best of my ability. However, because I have started this challenge on January 1st, I don't want to hold you guys up any longer. I will be back February 1st to show you all my results. In the meantime, if you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and post notification bell so that when I do upload my results, you will be notified right away. I want to wish you all a blessed and prosperous new year. Stay healthy, and I'll see you soon. Happy New Year!